In previous classes, we have discussed about associative law, commutative law, additive inverse, and identity. The question number 4 is fill in the blanks using associative property. 4 number question of exercise 1.1. 4 number question is fill in the blanks using associative property. Associative property minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 8 plus minus 7 by 8 is equal to dot 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 dot. We have read that if a, b and c are three integers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus in bracket b plus c. So by associative property, minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 8. A plus b plus c is equal to minus a plus b plus c. Using associative property, we can fill in the blanks minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 2. 2 number question is 1 by 3 plus bracket 1 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus minus 8 by 13 is equal to dot 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 dot. Using associative property, we can write 1 by 3 plus 4 by 9 bracket plus minus 8 by 3, 13. If you know the property, associative property, commutative property, additive inverse, identity, then you can solve it by using the property. So I hope that next 3 and 4 question you can solve. 3 number question is, I write this question for you. 3 number question, minus 5 plus bracket minus 7 plus minus 3 by 14 is equal to dot 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 dot. And 4 number question, and question 4 is minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 9 minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 9 plus 8 by minus 17. You try to solve this question as a as one number is solved. Similarly, you can solve 3 number, 4 number question. Next question. Which property of rational number is illustrated by the following statements? In this question, you have to write only the name of property. 5 number question, I am going to describe about question number 5. Question number 5 is question number 5. Question number 5. Which property of rational numbers? Which property of rational numbers? Which property of rational number? Which property of rational numbers is illustrated by the following statements? Is illustrated by the following statements. By the following statements. Question number 5. 3 by 7 plus minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 7. Minus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 7. We have discussed about the properties of rational numbers and integers. If a and b are two integers or two rational numbers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. So, property of commutative law. By commutative law, we know that a plus b is equal to b plus a. So we can write for question number 1, commutative property. Commutative property. We have to only write the name of property illustrated by the following statements. We have read about if a and b are two integers and you have one, which property of rational number is illustrated by the following statements. निम्नलिखित प्रमेय संख्या की कथन क्या है, किस गुण पर ये प्रदर्शित करते हैं? 3 by 7 plus minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 7. We have read in previous classes, if a and b are two integers or two rational numbers, then a plus b, commutative property states that a plus b is equal to b plus a. Similarly, you can solve question number 2 and 3. Question number 2 is a 2 by 5 plus minus 4 by 7 plus 8 by 9. 7 plus 8 by 9 is equal to 2 by 5 plus minus 4 by 7 plus 8 by 9. To solve this problem, you have only write the name of property. Here we see that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. We have we have read in previous classes, if A, B and C are integers or rational numbers, then associative law states that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So using the associative law, you can solve it. Now, 3 number question I write for you. You try to solve this question number 3 as 1. Question number 3, minus 4 by 9 plus bracket 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 8. This is also based on associative law. And 4 number minus 3 by 5 minus 4 by 9 4 number question is minus 3 by 5 plus 8 by 9. Minus 3 by 5 plus 8 by 9 is equal to 8 by minus 9 plus minus 3 by 5. 8 by minus 9 plus minus 3 by 5. Here A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is commutative law of addition. Minus, you have read, if A and B are two integers, are two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, I am writing 2, 3, 4 number question for you. You try to solve this question using property, and I hope that you can solve it. Question number 6 is find the following. Question number 6. In this question, you have to add the given integers, so you can solve yourself. Simplify. This is also easy question. 6 numbers, 7 numbers are very easy. So I am going to verify question number 8. Question number 8. Verify x plus y is equal to y plus x. Verify x plus y is equal to y plus x if verify x plus y is equal to y plus x if x is equal to minus 5 by 6 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. To verify this relation, at first we write LHS x plus y. On putting the values of x and y in LHS, we get x plus y is equal to minus 5 by 6 plus minus 3 by 4 is equal to We take LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4. 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is equal to is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 12. So we write 12. Dividing 12 by 6, we get 2 as quotient. So multiply minus 5 to minus 2. Minus 5 to 2, we get minus 10. Again, dividing 12 by denominator by 12 by 4, we get 3 as quotient. Then multiply minus 3 to 3, we get minus 9. Adding minus 10 and minus 9, we get minus 19 by 12. LHS. Now RHS is equal to y plus x. On putting the values of x and y is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus minus 5 by 6. Taking LCM of 4 and 6, we get 12 as LCM. So we write 12 and divide 12 by 4. We get 3 as quotient. Then multiply minus 3 to 3. We get minus 9. We write minus 9 plus. Again dividing 12 by 6. We get 2 as quotient. Then multiply minus 5 to 2. We write minus 10. After adding, we get minus 19 by 12. Here we see that LHS is equal to minus 19 by 12 and RHS is equal to minus 19 by 12. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Here LHS is equal to RHS, so it is verified. 2 number, 3 number questions, 2 number, 3 number and 4 number questions will be solved same as question number 8.1. I write 2, 3, 4 number questions for you. Question number 2 is question number 9. Verify x plus y plus z. Verify x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z if x is equal to minus 2 by 3, y is equal to 7 by 8, and z is equal to minus 3 by 5. This question is based on associative property. Here LHS is equal to x plus y plus z. On putting the values of x, y and z On putting the values of x, y and z, we get minus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 8 plus minus 3 by 5 LHS. या बराबर minus 2 by 3 plus taking LCM of 8 and 5, we have 40. LCM of 8 and 5 is equal to 40. So divide 40 by 8. We get 5 as quotient. So multiply 7 to 5. We write 35. Again, divide 40 by 5. We get 8 as quotient. Then multiply minus 3 by 8. Solving minus 2 by 3 plus 35 plus minus 24 is equal to 11 by 40. Again, taking LCM of 3 and 40, we have 120 as LCM and divide 120 by 3, we get 40 as quotient. So multiply 40 by minus 2, we get 80. And divide 120 by 40, we get 3 as quotient. So multiply 11 by 3, we get 33. Adding minus 80 and 33, we get minus 47 by 120 LHS. Again, RHS is equal to RHS बराबर x plus y plus z. Also putting the values of x, y and z. Putting the values of x, y and z, we have x plus y plus z is equal to x minus 2 by 3 plus y is equal to 7 by 8 plus z is equal to minus 3 by 5. LCM of 3 and 8 is equal to 24. On dividing 24 by 3, we get 8 as a quotient. So multiply minus 2 to 8. We get 60 plus, again divide 24 by 8. We get 3 as quotient. So multiply 3 by 7. We write 21 plus minus 3 by 5 is equal to, adding minus 16 and 21, we get 5 by 24 plus minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Taking LCM of 24 and 5, we have 120 as LCM. So divide 120 by 24, we get 5 as quotient, and multiply 5 by 5. 25 plus, divide 120 by 5, we get 40. So multiply 40 by minus 3, we get minus 120. Adding LHS is equal to RHS. The value of LHS बराबर minus 47 by 120 and the value of RHS बराबर minus 47 by 120. Here LHS is equal to RHS, so it is verified. LHS बराबर here LHS is equal to RHS, so it is verified. In this process, you can solve next problems 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, and question number 10 is write the following as a rational number. You add all the numbers, then you will get a rational number. 10 number, I give you some task to solve question number 10, 11, 12, and the next class I will teach you next problems. So I give you some tasks to solve question number 10, 11, 12, 13, and problem will be solved tomorrow. Thank you.